Hello friends, welcome back. What are the binding modes in WPF? Binding modes in WPF defines how data flow between your UI and data sources. One way means data flow from source to UI only. Two-way allows data to flow in both directions. And one way binds data only once. Choosing the right binding mode is the key to keeping your UI responsive and in sync with your data. Choose wisely. What is trigger in WPF? Trigger in WPF are awesome for adding interactive to your controls. They let you change property based on the condition. With property triggers, you can modify visual properties like colors or size based on states without writing any code. You can also use event triggers or data triggers for more complex scenarios. Make your UI dynamic with triggers. What are attached property in WPF? Attached property in WPF let one element set properties on another element. Think of it like adding extra information to a child element from a parent element. You see, attached property with layout panels like grids and canvas allow you to control child positioning. They are a handy way to make your XAML cleaner and more flexible. For more videos, just like, share and subscribe.